Oh, ito na ha.
So, no choice na nila.
Ito na po. Matindi po to. Para ma-divert ang issue, ambush me. May bago po ngayon. Hirap na hirap po mga DDS. Ilabas si Gutesa. Hirap na hirap. Hirap na hirap ilabas si Gutesa. Putek gumawa ng issue. Gusto nilang, kunyari, papatayin si Marcoleta. Galing talaga ng mga DDS. Sobrang galing ng mga DDS. Si Marcoleta papatayin. Kadugo nilang yung green, papatayin nila. Galing. Ibang klase talaga mga DDS. Pang mas bobo ka talaga, lamang ka eh. Biro mo, pinake-use nila sarili nilang senador.
No choice na sila, so kailangan na nilang pahilumin si Marcolita. Kailangan na nilang patahimikin yun.
Ang gara nito, no? Vlogger na to. Dapat ikaw pinapatahimik eh. Lagyan ng zipper yung bunganga mo eh. Ha? Ang lakas yung makasinungaling. Ang laking daming yung nabibiktima eh. Yung scamming po ngayon, wala na. DDS na. Kapag sinabing, pare, na-DDS ako. Talagang magkano? Malaking pere, na-DDS ako. Ayun na ang meaning ng scam ngayon, DDS. Dapat inaano to eh, tinatay yung bunganga nito eh. No? Binabackstitch to eh, yung bunganga.
Ay, malupit.
Kasi natutumbok na sila eh, klarong-klaro na.
Oh.
Kahit makuha pa nila si Marcolita, guys. Kasi sa ginagawa nilang pag-aambus ngayon, hindi na mabubura sa isipan ng tao.
Tingin mo si Marcoleta, ma-ambus, lakas ng pang-amoy niyan. Ha? Pero mo DDS, sigurado kayo, pinake news nyo si Marcoleta? Putik kayo. Ha? Ang masamang damo matagal mamatay.
Patayin mo si BBM? No joke.
Diba? Malayo-layo pa yan, matagal bategi yan.
Mga ginagawa nila. So, no choice na sila, wala na silang magawa. Kailangan na nilang patahimikin si Marcolita. So, anong ginawa nila? Ina-ambush nila.
Ang galing eh, no? Para ma-divert po si Gutesa, putik, si Marcoleta naman ang pinagbuntunan. Pinake news. Diba? Na-ambush. Ang galing. Para mawala yung issue kay Marcoleta. Tapos, pag na-focus doon, makakalimutan na yung kay Gutesa. Bakit? Nagtatago sa piluka niya yun eh. Diba? Nagtatago sa piluka niya yun eh. Maraming beses nakitang kinaiinisan. Peluka, peluka, ang buhok niya ay peluka. Naambus daw si peluka. Ano to, fake news to? Para makalimutan Gutesa, may bagong issue sila. Naambus daw malaasong senador. ang buhok niya'y piluka, nakatago sa loob gutesa, nakakumot at naka-aircon pa. Sarap buhay ng hayop na gutesa. Fake news na ang boss si Piluka. Akala nyo di namin gusto yon. Akala mo di namin gusto yon.
Hi friends and not friends and not friends.
Tama si Ras. Bulletproof yung ano yan. Yung piluka niyan, bulletproof. Tapos may GPS yan. Kumpleto yan eh. Kumpleto yan. Yung piluka niyan, bulletproof, may GPS. Diyan din naka-install yung Starlink. May Starlink yan eh. Kaya hindi nawawala ng signal yan. Ang lakas ng signal yan. Nakatago dyan yung Starlink. Kumpleto yan eh. Kompleto yan. Ginagamit din yan ng minsan, na-extend yan, ginagamit yan ng pang-camping, nagiging tent. Bulletproof, magiging tent yan. Parang transformer. Parang transformer yan eh. Pag may balang gumagana, nagtatransform yan. Diba? Halimbawa, may magtangka, pang! Biglang madidetect na yan ng ano. Ayan na. Kumpleto yan. May aparador, may heater, kumpleto yan eh. May yung shampoo, soap, kumpleto. Dami nakatago dyan, kala nyo. Dahil nakatago.
Yung mga taong
Oh.
nag-iimbestiga
Oh.
at malapit nang matumbok at tumbok na talaga ni Marcolita.
Ano ba yung tumbok ba o tumbong? Linawin mo, ate. Ano ba yan, tumbok o tumbong? Para kasi bongo ah. Tutumbokin na eh. Tutumbukin na eh. Pag tumbok na U-turn papunta sa CLTG, Chicken Lomi to go. Ba't gano'n? Chicken Lomi to go? Tumbok nyo na eh. Bigla nag-U-turn, naging Chicken Lomi to go.
Kasi sa totoo lang si Marcolita lang napadaan. Totoong may malasakit.
Nangungulangot ka pa, malang manaka kay Empoy ah.
Yung mga hinayupak na congressman, wala yun. Kasama yun. Mga kasama yan sila. Iiba lang dyan yung hindi na kinabang, pero karamihan na kinabang. Kaya kasabwat man sila lahat.
Ang galing.
Tahimik lahat. Tingnan mo sila. Wala na ang taong totoong gumawa ng tama. Ang taong totoong may malasakit sa totoo sa Pilipino sa taong...
Ate, ayusin mo. Pag nagsasalita ka, bubuka yung ilong mo. Ano ba yan? Subtitle ba yan?
Bayan sa
Pilipino bubuka yan, no?
Sa totoo sa Pilipino sa taong bayan.
Ba't gano'n bubuka yung... Hirap no. Hirap no, no? Eto. Hirap, men.
Gusto nilang patahimikin at gusto nilang mawala. Kaya yan ang ginagawa nila kay Marcolita. Desperado na kasi sila eh. Kaya Senator Marcolita, please, mag-ingat ka. Laban lang tayo, sir.
Mag-ingat ka,
Kung
Marcoleta.
choice na nila,
Marcoleta, mag-ingat ka daw, lalo na yung piluka. Ingatan mo yan eh, ha? Acid yan eh. Ha? Ingatan nyo daw po yung piluka nyo. Kasi po, ang piluka nyo ang sandigan ng bayan, okay? Ang piluka nyo po ang talagang inaanap ng taong bayan. Okay, eto, dumako na po tayo dito. Idagdag na po natin to. Ayan, fake news na ano ha. O, dito na kay Jam Magno. O.
Yung mga legal know where Orly Gutesa is.
Oh.
Because unlike us, we actually want Orly Gutesa to testify and explain why he had a fake affidavit.
Okay, easy English line. Orly Gutesa is dead. Okay? Orly Gutesa, Jam Magno, is dead. From suffocation. Suffocation. Okay? Gutesa suffocated because of the suffocated and dehydration because of the wig of Marcoleta, which not been laundried for a few months. Okay? So Gutesa will be held in the Malabanan Chapel.
Why his story doesn't seem possible. We want to understand why he was being coached and why Senator Marcoleta knows his affidavit more than he does.
Oh, you see? You see? You see? You D, you D, you E, you E, you F, you F.
Patayin mo si BBM. No joke.
Diba? Why does Marcoleta live via satellite coaching a witness? It seems so alarming, Marie. You know? Because if you are really a witness, you have experienced the situation. And that situation that you going or you experience will tell a lot to the Senate. But in this case, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, Marcoleta elaborating the scenario and not the witness. And in one case, Gutesa forgot the script. Okay? Then, suddenly, Marcoleta transformed to a dog. Very, very angry. Sa Monte Odetes, thank you ah. Itatransform ko na lang po sa inyo kasi medyo nag-aral po ako ng veterinarian and levitology. Pinag-aralan ko po yung mga animals saka mga dahon. Levitology. Yan po sabi nung aso. Ayun sabi niya, bakit hindi mo ginawa? Sabi ko sa inyo, kabisaduhin mo. Ha? Di ba? Sinabi ni Defensor sa iyo, kabisaduhin mo eh. Pineki na nga namin yung notaryo para mapalabas natin dito. Sayang yung bayad sa iyo eh. Oh. Yan po ang translation.
I want to understand the connection of why Mike Defensor brought him and allowed this perjury to happen.
I told you, it's perjury, okay? As I've told you, my beloved Karayuma and corduroy skin. Okay? My beloved Karayuma with the corduroy skin. I told you before, Defensor Marcoleta is a tag team. A Batman and Robin who take down the ABS-CBN. So, they have a great relationship. And in this case, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, they plan these things to put in Gutesa just to destroy the Blue Ribbon Committee and divert, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, the mind of our Filipino people that Romualdez is accepting a flood control donation. And suddenly, tomorrow after the hearing, Mr. Remulla is waiting to the DOJ for Gutesa to file a complaint. But Gutesa became Ghost Tessa.
Patayin mo si BBM. No joke.
I remember all my life. I am lying all my life. Hiring by Defensor, bring by Marcoleta. I never realized I am now Ghostessa. You can see me, you can't even hear me. I'm hiding in wig Marcoleta. Ayan na yun. Isa na siyang ghost. Tessa.
Yes, that's perjury, just in case you didn't know. So don't come pinning the Orly Gutesa disappearance on us.
Yeah.
No.
No. Watch me whip. Watch me no. Watch me whip. Watch me no.
Wala kang puso, hayop ka!
We want him out in the open to explain why his past principles had more to do with you than us.
Putik, paniks tayo dito. Ang galing mag-English, man. Galing ng diction, no? Principal. Ang sakit sa ngalangalan niya. No. Okay? We want him to come out and say, and the principal. Laway eh. Malaway. Lin Solis, thank you!
Why, before he landed in Zaldico,
Before he landed in Zaldico, oh my God. Oh, tulo laway ko.
was working for your side of the fence, not ours.
Oh, okay. You're working for the side of your fence, not ours, because in our side, Mr. Romualdez doesn't even accept any front control. Okay. And Mr. Romualdez in our side. Huh? Mr. Romualdez in our side doesn't even have a signature in the Vicon. You understand? Romualdez doesn't sign the Bicam, but Escudero signed the Bicam with a heart.
And yes, there is a side of the fence. The side that likes fake news more than the truth.
Oh.
The side that prefers fake news to fit into a narrative because gihimo ninyog bulok ang katawhan.
Oh, kita mo, naintindihan nyo yun? Gihimo ka bulok kawan. Ibig sabihin, mga bayag nyo ay kawatan. Tinagalog ko na po. Ha? Ayan ha. Gihimo ka bulok ni katawan. Ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, ang mga bayag nyo ay kawatan. Diretso pa.
That's your modus. Your modus is to falsify anything and everything you can to fit your narrative. Imagine that the notary public is fake. She said she never signed off of that affidavit, meaning it was a lie from the get-go. While our side provided two viable evidences of people who actually work for the people that said Orly Guteza never worked with them, not even close. So what part of his whole testimony at ang pagkatao niya is true? Wala. He is simply a puppet.
Puppet! Oh, okay ha. Guteza is a puppet.
In by Defensor and Marcoleta. Both people should be charged with perjury.
Yeah, I agree. Both people should be charged with perjury because they are ruining, okay? They are ruining the system of truth of our Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Okay? They're inserting a fake witness, and now it's not even fake witness, it's Guteza.
Both people made a fool out of the Senate.
Yeah.
Before you...
Yeah, that's true, that's true. I agree with Jam Magno. Okay? They make the Senate a fool. Okay? Because of the Guteza now is missing. And we are waiting for him to file a case against Romualdez. Because we are longing for the truth. And if Romualdez is involved, let it be. Okay? Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Ang susunod si Bongo ay sisi.
Today!
Ilan oras sa trabaho, kapiraso ang sweldo. Habang sila nag-aantay ng porsyento, kami ang nakukuba, hirap at nagdurusa. Iluluhon nyo lang pala aming mga pera. Galit at puot, hindi ito matatapos. Hindi kami titigil, boses to matatapos. Hindi kami titigil, boses man ay maubos. Kinamkam ninyo lahat ang aming pinaghirapan. Kayo ang salarin sa luha ng bayan. Galit at buhok, hindi to matatapon. Hindi kami titigil, boses man ay maubos. Kinamkam nyo lahat ang aming pinaghirapan. Kayo ang salarin sa luha ng bayan. Totoo pala ang multo, nakakatakot ito. Kinaibigan nila, inutusang kainin